We have seen the preparation of income and expenditure. Same only we are doing now. So now we will do question number 4. So already we did some problems related to fund adjustments. Okay. So here you look at that sports fund, investment, interest on sports fund, donation for sports fund, sports prize awarded, expense on sports events, general fund, general investment, interest on general fund investment. So already we know that if it is a specific fund, there is some adjustments. Specific fund means prize fund, tournament fund, which one, medical fund, that is a special fund. Donation also for a specific purpose, that is a special fund only. If it is a special fund means with the fund we are adding income lessing any expenses, the final amount only we will write in the liability. If it is a general fund means no problem. If here they given general fund, fund is liability only, but they given interest on general fund investment. Clear? General fund, interest on general fund investment, that where it will come, it is not a special fund. So interest on general fund, where it will come, expenditure or income. The base of question 31st. Okay, date it is not given. Oh, okay. It is given opening sports fund 1st April 2015. So 31st March. Okay. So interest on general fund, fund liability only, but interest on general fund investment, where it will come, expenditure or income, expenditure or income, income. Yes, income. Okay, by interest on general fund investment, 8,000. Next, we will prepare balance sheet. You know that sports fund liability. You can write in working note, otherwise in liability study you can write sports fund 35,000. Then sport fund investment, we know that that is asset. Then interest on sports fund, interest on sports fund.
expenditure,
No, interest on sports fund means here correct meaning is that interest on sports fund investment. Interest on sports fund investment. With the fund, what we have to do? Add or less? Add or less?
add,
Yes. Next one, donation for sports fund. Shubham, add or less?
Yes, sir.
Donation for sports fund. Fund will increase or decrease? Donation if he got.
Add.
Yes. Next, sports prizes awarded. Plus or minus? Minus. Expense on sports events. Less. Okay. Now, general fund, no adjustment, general fund liability. General fund investment assets. Then interest on. If it is a special fund with the fund, we have to add. It is not a general, it is a not a special specific fund, it is a general fund only. So that's why we wrote interest in income side. Over.
Only this much.
Yes. No need to do total because only we are adjusting the only two fund. Next one, fifth one. You look, how will you deal with the following items while preparing for Bombay Women Cricket Club, its income and expenditure for the year ended 31st March 2017 and its balance sheet? So, first one, three questions is there. First one, it is related to donation. Next one, tournament fund. Third one, life membership fees. So, first one, donation received during the year for a construction of a permanent pavilion building, 12 lakh 25,000. Expenditure incurred up to 31st March on its construction. Till 31st March 2017, expenditure 10 lakh 80,000. The total estimated expenditure on construction of pavilion 25 lakh. 25 lakh. Okay. So first we have to adjust which one about the donation. So the donation for a special purpose, we know that where it will come, income or liability, liability. So first we will adjust donation A. 12,25,000. Then expenditure incurred on its construction. So from that, what we have to do? Less. Expenditure, what we have to do? Less. Estimated, it will not come. Estimated means we are estimated. We planning time we thought that the construction of building will be expenditure 25 lakh. That it will not come. That is estimation only. Okay. Then one thing you have to remember here. This is construction of building. Construction of building. Okay, so that donation will come liability side, but construction, the building, it will come asset side. It will come asset side. Okay, which amount? The cost value, how much we spent for construction of building, that it will come 10,80,000. It will come asset side because it is asset, that work in progress only, work in progress. Okay, donation is a liability. So from that expenditure incurred, so that you have to minus estimated, it will come because it is only estimation. Next, the construction, that is asset building, how much we spend. Now second one, first one is over. Now second one, tournament fund balance, subscription for tournament fund received. So fifth one fund we have to add, expenditure you have to minus. Okay, for 4,100. No, tournament fund investment over. Okay, so with the tournament fund, add subscription received for tournament less tournament expenses. Next, C. Only life membership fees. Where it will come? Yes, liability side. Now 14th question. So 13th you can do same type only sports fund investment. Okay, same type only that you can do. Next, the 14th one. Receipt and payment account of Maitri Sports Club showed that rupees 68,500 were received by way of subscription. Additional information, subscription outstanding on 31st March 2016, last year. Subscription received in advance 31st March 2016, last year. Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2017, current year. Subscription received in advance end. Okay, opening and end it is given. Okay. Question is how it will appear in the final account. So we have to prepare. So they said how to appear in the final account. If it is not given means directly we can write a particular amount we can write. Here they showed that how it will appear in income and expenditure and balance sheet. That is the question. Okay. How it will appear in income and expenditure and balance sheet. So first we will do income and expenditure. Income and expenditure accounts. Question number 14. Question number 14. Question number 14. So subscription, already we know that we did lot of problem. By subscription, 68,500. Then first we will do add item. We know that outstanding subscription at the end. Outstanding subscription at the end. Outstanding subscription at the end 5,400. Then what is add item? Subscription received in advance at the beginning. Sorry, received in advance. Yes, at the beginning. Subscription received in advance at the beginning. 4,100. Then opposite to that we have to less. Okay, now less opposite. Outstanding subscription at the beginning Okay. So I think we completed the income. Okay. Less outstanding subscription at the beginning, less subscription received in advance at the end. Or no? Okay. So less outstanding subscription at the beginning 6,500, less subscription received in advance at the end 2,500. So outer column 69,000. 69,000. Okay. Now we have to prepare balance sheet. Two balance sheet we have to prepare, opening and closing. Okay. Opening and closing we have to prepare. First opening. Balance sheet as on closing 31st March 2020. So 1st April 2016. Otherwise 31st March 2016. March 2016. Otherwise, 1st April 2016. Okay, so you can write. So, from this item, only two items will come: outstanding subscription and subscription received in advance. In the opening balance sheet, only open it will come. So, outstanding subscription, asset or liability, Sharath?
Asset.
Yes. Then subscription received in advance, liability. Only opening amount, last year amount you can write. Okay, so opening balance sheet is over. Next closing balance sheet. So opening balance sheet, outstanding subscription, last year amount, subscription received in advance, last year amount. Now closing balance sheet. Same item. Outstanding subscription, closing 5,400. Then subscription received in advance 2,500. Okay. So I completed first chapter. Okay. So now we will look some MCQ questions. So you look, receipt and payment account generally shows debit balance. You look, debit side will be more. Cash book also. Cash. This is a cash book, no? generally shows debit balance. Means debit side will be more than the credit side. Then income and expenditure records transactions of revenue nature. Only revenue expenses and revenue payments are recording. Is it correct? In income and expenditure. Capital receipts and capital payment in balance sheet. Next one, income and expenditure reveals surplus or deficiency. Income and expenditure reveals surplus or deficit. Deficiency. Surplus or deficit. Deficit. Deficit only. Next one, the amount of subscription received from members by a non-profit organization is shown in which of the following? That is credit side of income and expenditure. Is it correct? Credit side means income side. Okay, debit side means expenditure side. Next one, donation. If you know the problem, then it will be easy. Donation received for a special purpose, where we are writing. That is B, shown in the balance sheet. Which one? It is shown in the balance sheet. Okay, it is shown the balance sheet liability side. It is given, that is correct. Okay, next one, subscription received by a school for organizing annual function is treated as capital receipt. Okay, subscription received for a special purpose, that is a liability, but normally we know that it is income, revenue for organizing annual function. Okay, that's why it is a liability. Next one, the amount of entrance fee received by a non-profit organization. Received by a non-profit organization, where we are writing, that is income. Okay, entrance fee. Next one, out of the following, which one is shown in the receipt and payment account? Outstanding salary, we won't record. Whatever we received, it is paid. That only we will record in receipt and pay. Outstanding salary, we will not record. Depreciation, it is not paid like other expenses. Is it correct? Depreciation, it is not paid like other expenses because it increases the value of asset. Life membership fees, we are getting. Accrued subscription, accrued income, still we didn't receive it. So answer is life membership fees. Next one, the receipt and payment account is a summary of cash receipts and cash payment. It is cash book. Next one, receipt and payment account is a real account. Real account, cash. Cash is a real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Income and expenditure is a nominal account. Expenses and income. Okay, it is a nominal account. So you can expect real receipts and payment account is a real account. Income and expenditure is a nominal account. Next one, credit balance in income and expenditure account shows. Means suppose if income side is more okay. Next one. Next one, credit balance means excess of income over expenditure. Next, a source of income for a not for a profit organization. Their main source is subscription from members. One more question you can expect it. Subscription from members, donation, entrance fees. Entrance fees. These are their main source of income. Subscription, donation, entrance fee. Okay. So one more question without objective type question also you can expect. Next, which of the following represents capital asset? Capital asset means a liability side. Okay. Which one? Late membership subscription. We know that late membership subscription, legacy mainly, then endowment fund. Then amount received from sale of graphs. That is which receipt? Revenue receipt, income side. Clear? Revenue receipt means income side. Capital receipt means liability side. Okay. Revenue payment means expenditure side. Capital payment means liability side. Sorry, asset side. The amount received for sale of old sports material, that is credit side of income and expenditure. Sports material. If there is a match fund, then match expenses and incomes are transferred to where? If there is a match fund and the match expense are transferred to C, liability side. Because special fund with match fund expenses and income you will adjust. Next one, subscription received in advance, that is liability. Okay, so problem only that you know that. Next one, if the 23rd, if general donation of a huge amount, okay, that is capital receipt. Normally, special purpose only if it is huge amount means that is also a liability. If a general donation of a smaller amount, that is which one? Receipt and payment account, debit side, because it is a general donation means income side only. Here no information given related to expenditure, income and expenditure. So that's why debit side of receipt and payment account. Okay, what are the following item which is not shown in the receipt and payment account? Which is not shown in the receipt and payment account, that is subscription due. Outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription. Okay. Next one, out of the following item which is shown in the receipt and payment account, that is which is shown in the received in advance will show, last year subscription received will show, current year subscription received will show. Everything we received we will show in the receipt and payment account. Okay, so I think that it is easy. Okay, so that I will send. So you have to go through the entire topic. So next day, because tomorrow if you have a class, otherwise no. Monday, next Monday I will take first chapter test, class test. Okay, so 8-mark problem, 1 to MCQ. Clear? Total 10 marks. Clear?
Sir, tomorrow?
Next week, Monday.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have to go through the entire topic. If any doubt you have, you can ask. Okay, thank you.